we'll guide you through how to install Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, for Windows. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and head over to the official Visual Studio Code website by typing code.visualstudio.com. Once you're there, you'll see a big blue button that says Download for Windows on the homepage. Click on that, and it will automatically start downloading the installer file. This file is usually small in size, so it should only take a few seconds to download. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files, and double-click the installer file to open it. A setup wizard will appear. In the wizard, you'll need to accept the license agreement. After that, you'll be prompted to choose the installation location. The default location is usually fine, but you can change it if you have a specific directory in mind. Click Nextus to continue. You'll then see some options like creating a desktop icon or adding VS Code to your path. It's helpful to check these boxes, especially the Add to Path option, as it makes it easier to run VS Code from the command line. After selecting your preferences, click Nextus again, and then Install to begin the installation process. This part might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can choose to launch VS Code immediately by checking the box that says Launch Visual Studio Code, and then click Finish. That's it. VS Code should now open up, and you'll be ready to start coding. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.